In this video, we will summarize the machine learning with ROCm section. In this unit, we have explored the efficiency of machine learning on ROCm, focusing on two popular frameworks, PyTorch and TensorFlow. We began by understanding the installation process of PyTorch, highlighting the easiest and most convenient methods. We also learned how to perform a test to ensure the proper installation of PyTorch. Next, we worked on an image classification task using the pre-trained Inception v3 model. Leveraging the power of the GPU, we witnessed the significant improvements in efficiency achieved by utilizing GPU acceleration in deep learning models. To further evaluate and compare the performance, we conducted a comprehensive performance analysis using the profiler provided by PyTorch. These analyses involved comparing the execution times on both the GPU and CPU, providing valuable insights into the pivotal role of the GPU in reducing overall execution time. Moving on, we turned our attention to TensorFlow on ROCm. Just like PyTorch, we explored the seamless installation process for the TensorFlow framework, ensuring a smooth and straightforward setup. We then verified the successful installation to ensure that TensorFlow is ready for use. With TensorFlow in place, we discussed the implementation details by constructing a basic deep learning model. Through this hands-on exploration, we witnessed firsthand how the TensorFlow framework on ROCm empowers us to efficiently build and train deep learning models. In conclusion, machine learning with ROCm is an exciting and powerful combination that opens up new possibilities in the world of artificial intelligence. By harnessing the computational capabilities of AMD GPUs and leveraging the extensive tools and libraries provided by ROCm, we can unlock the true potential of machine learning and drive breakthroughs in various domains. We have included an assignment in this unit. You will put your skills to the test by conducting an image classification task using TensorFlow on ROCm. Your task involves selecting a suitable machine learning algorithm and pairing it with a relevant dataset to train and evaluate your model. This assignment will provide you with hands-on experience in applying TensorFlow on ROCm to solve real-world problems.